Here we are with the Pentair IC30, and one of the cool things about this is that there's an internal thermometer that actually lets you know what the pool temperature is. Okay, so you're gonna use a flathead screwdriver. Okay, there's a little spot in it, you know, on the bottom. There's a spot. You know, put it in here, and boom, can pop open the protective cover. Okay, then what you're gonna do is hold the more button for 3 seconds. You're gonna press and hold, and it's gonna activate a series of numbers that you can scroll through. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, boom, all the numbers are flashing. The first number that comes across is how many hours the salt cell has active use. If you press it, the more button once, it goes to the second number, which actually gives you the pool temperature, which is pretty damn cool. Okay, so let's do that one more time. Come in here, you pry this open with your flathead screwdriver. You're gonna press and hold the more button for 3 seconds. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, boom. You're gonna activate these numbers. The first number that comes across is how many hours your salt cell has been used. Okay, you're gonna press it one more time, and it's actually gonna give you the pool temperature, right? So that's a pretty cool thing that I like about this Pentair IC30. See you next time.